Welcome back to the channel, guys, and today we are going to build this latch circuit. It will turn on when you press the button and turn off when you press it again. So it's a single push button switch, and you can use it to turn on AC applications or DC applications. And let's build it and understand the circuit so you can make this circuit on your own. Let's get started. So guys, this is the circuit diagram, and let's see how it works. So first of all, when we give power to the circuit, there is no these transistors T1, T2 and T3 are off, and this capacitor, the 1 microfarad capacitor, will charge to these resistors R1 and R2 up to the supply voltage. Then this when we press the button, it will connect the supply voltage to this transistor right here, T3, and this transistor will connect the ground to this PNP transistor. These are NPN transistors. This is a PNP transistor. So this PNP transistor will connect the supply voltage again to this transistor T3, and these transistors will stay on until we give it a negative feedback. So how we give it a negative feedback? Let's see. When this transistor is on, it is going to also turn on this NPN transistor through this 10K resistor to the base, and this transistor will connect this capacitor line, this line, to ground to here. And so this is ground now, and when we press the button again, this ground will go to here, and this negative voltage will go to here, and it will turn off the T3, also turning off other two transistors. Then we have a completed latch circuit. So let's build it on a prototyping board. So guys, this is the completed circuit, and now we have to test the circuit by powering it with the battery. I'm going to give it 3 volts just in case. As you can see, the LED is on, and when I press the button, it turns off. So let's see the current draw of this. So it draws around 35 milliamps when running and 0 milliamps when turned off. And thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.